Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. First, you need to open your WhatsApp on a mobile device. Tap on these three dots on your top right corner. After that, go to Settings. Tap on Chats. Scroll and go to Chat Backup. Back up your WhatsApp data so you will not lose it during the process. Wait for it to upload your data in your Google Drive. Once it is done, go back and open the Play Store. Here, search for WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure it is updated to its latest version. Now go back to your home screen and install WhatsApp. Tap and hold the app and select the uninstall option. Select the option to keep your data. Then select OK to confirm uninstall. As you can see, it has been uninstalled. After that, open your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Reinstall the app on your mobile device. Once it is done, tap to open the WhatsApp application. Once you're in, tap on these three dots from your top right corner. Here, go to Link Devices. WhatsApp allows you to link more than one account in one phone. You just need to scan its code. This is the first method to use two WhatsApp in one phone. For the second method, open the Play Store. Now search for Parallel Space app. You need to install this app on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Read its terms and conditions, then click to agree and continue. After that, tap to allow the access of contacts and location. Now tap on Continue to go next. Then, tap to start using the Clone app. Select the WhatsApp and tap on Add to Parallel Space. After that, tap to accept and provide the information. Now, you need to tap on WhatsApp to install its clone. But to install WhatsApp, you need a 64-bit app. So now, open up the Play Store and download the Parallel Space 64-bit support. Once the app is installed, click to open it. Now open up the Parallel Space app and tap on WhatsApp. After that, tap on Agree and Continue. Then, enter your phone number and tap on Next to proceed further. Then enter the 6-digit code you have received on your phone number. Now choose other options as per your choice. Set your name for this WhatsApp. Now, you're able to use two WhatsApp in one phone. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.